me. But then you came close and tore that old veil. You said you were proud of me. We cannot forget, it's all about love. The love of the Father, Spirit and Son. No, we cannot forget, it's all about love. But we've been forgiven in perfect love. So awake my soul, arise and shine. His glory lives in you. The story of my Jesus Christ forever made us new. Oh, you made us new. So I'll throw off all my doubt as you open my eyes to see the King of the cross is now fully alive, and my shame dead at Calvary. Oh, we cannot forget, it's all about love. The love of the Father, Spirit and Son. No, we cannot forget, it's all about love. But we've been forgiven in perfect love. Awake my soul, arise and shine. His glory lives in you. Oh, the story of my Jesus Christ forever makes us new. You made us new. You made us new. Omnipotent, yet intimate, by hand you rendered heaven in skin and flesh, in humbleness, the Godhead has descended. Interstellar, yes, cellular, you comprehend our complex. From earthquaking to hearts breaking, you care for our condition. Though you handcrafted the cosmos, though your word loves me heart to heart.